Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are sharing with you how to make a quick bread pizza without oven. It is a delicious and simple snack for kids and doesn't require making the dough and does not require any time at all. We already have the recipe of bread pizza in oven, so today we will see how to make it on stovetop. It's a very simple recipe and we are going to need a few things for this. The first that I've taken are two slices of brown bread. I have taken brown bread, but if you like, you can also take regular sandwich bread, white bread, whichever one you like. Other than the bread, we are going to need some vegetables for toppings. So I have onion, tomato, yellow bell pepper, green capsicum. We have some chopped zucchini. We have chopped everything into fine pieces. I have grated cheese. I have taken mozzarella cheese here. Some dried herbs, regular bottled herbs that you get, mixed herbs. Tomato ketchup. And we will also need butter. We will apply the butter. Here we have butter. We will apply the butter on one side of the bread slices. Apply it nicely and then we will toast only on one side. So toast it on a tawa or a fry pan on very low heat. We want it nicely toasted on one side, but it should take time so that it becomes nice and toasty. So on low heat, just let it cook for a while. Till then, let's make the topping. So I'll add onions, capsicums. I have de-seeded the tomatoes because we don't want it to be soggy. Green capsicum. Basically put all the vegetables inside. You can also add any other vegetable that your child likes. It's all up to you. So mix them well and now we'll add the seasonings. I'm adding the dried herbs. Now we'll add the pepper and salt. Mix everything well. It's a very simple recipe, but it turns out so yummy. You just have to eat to believe it. So our topping is ready. Now let's make the sauce. If you already have the prepared pizza sauce, you can use that as well. I'm making a quick pizza sauce. So I'll just add some herbs again, 2 regular tomato ketchup and mix it well, and that's it. The pizza sauce is ready. You can also add chili flakes if your child likes that. My daughter doesn't like, so I avoid that. So now here you can see it's nicely browned. My slices are ready. So So here I'm applying the tomato ketchup on the toasted side of the bread slice. Apply it nicely. It's nicely toasted so it will not make the bread soggy at all. And then just put all your toppings generously, as much as you want. And then top it with a lot of mozzarella cheese. And that's it. We'll do the same with the other slice as well. Keep it aside. Again, just apply a layer of tomato ketchup with the herbs. Then your toppings go on top of that. And finally the cheese. So here both our pizzas are ready. Now let's toast them. So on a pan or a tawa, put some olive oil and then some butter. Once the pan is greased, we'll put both our breads and the heat should be very low, at the lowest. And just cover it and cook on low heat till all the cheese has melted and the bread is nicely toasted. So here it's ready. You can see how gooey and nice it looks. So That's it. So it looks so yummy, and trust me, you just have to eat it to believe. And I hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again very, very soon.